You search for how to buy shares of Endeavour Mining PLC. This company operates gold mines and processing plants, listed on LSE PLC under the ticker EDV.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EDV.L to locate the listing. Make sure you select the LSE PLC listing for the correct Endeavour Mining stock. On the stock page, check the basic company summary and view the price chart. Confirm the listing details and ticker to ensure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule execution when trading opens, and if you lack funds, you will be prompted to add them before confirmation. Once executed, your position appears in the portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform tools.